Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable split tunneling for better VPN performance. So make sure you will be just download the software of Node VPN. This is the highly recommended for this tunneling for better VPN performance. So when you just download it on your PC or your laptop, so I will just show you what is the split tunneling and how it used. So I will just show you. So number one is that when you just open the setting menu, you will be just head down to the split tunneling section, turn it on and then press add apps simply. So it will be just working on Windows 10 or 11 and click on a gear icon in the left bottom corner. You will see in this screenshot. So this is very helpful to operate it. So choose split tunneling settings simply and turn the feature on and choose the add apps. So in this way you will just look here and you will just find the latest updates and concerning known issues and how to resolve them. So in this way you will just have to enable split tunneling for better VPN performance on Node VPN. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.